Be very careful and aware. This is just a reminder to each and every one of us. If you are not careful and aware, the normal currents of life will cause you to drift from your faith. The drift does not require a major sickness or divorce or disappointment. Just everyday life will do it. Perhaps you don't realize it, but you may have drifted into a place of doubt. You used to be excited about your dreams, but suddenly the passion is gone. Maybe you've drifted into bitterness because you had a bad break. A person did you wrong. The good news is that you can stop the drip and start believing again, start expecting again. The goodness and blessing of God will keep your hope up.